Hello, my name is Rose Meyer, Funeral Director and Manager of Bakerview Community Crematorium and Celebration Center. Bakerview is one of the most affordable priced providers of cremation, memorial, or funeral arrangements in the Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley. Bakerview offers a wide variety of urns, as well as caskets, cemetery markers, and vases. Bakerview staff will make all arrangements in the comfort of your home or in our office and have experience and are familiar with all faiths and traditions. Unlike some low-cost cremation providers, Bakerview operates its own crematorium on site. Bakerview staff often conduct services at chapels or churches and will facilitate burials at any cemetery. The Celebration Center is well equipped and tastefully decorated, suitable for whatever your family gathering may be, a memorial, funeral, celebration, or reception gathering. We are equipped to provide online webcasting of services for people unable to attend and would like to see the service through the internet. We are dedicated to providing the type of celebration that is meaningful and meets the needs of each individual family. Call us for more information.